Welcome back. So today we're doing a really fun craft. We are doing some sculpting using Model Magic. So you should have 4 Model Magic colors. So what Model Magic is, it's like a clay. It's very soft, but once it dries, like maybe 24 hours later, it gets really hard. So you can sculpt things out of it and it becomes like a little sculpture, and you can't, after it hardens, then you can't change it. So this is a little charm that we're going to create, and you can create whatever you want, any type of charm. You can do a mushroom, a cactus, a strawberry, a sun, a sunflower, whatever you want. You could even do characters if you'd like. I'm going to show you how to do this strawberry, and I might show you how to do a cactus because I really like to sculpt cactus. They're really fun to make. So I'm going to show you those two. What you have is your 4 Model Magic colors. Out of these, you can make almost any color. So the only color that you wouldn't be able to have is black, because we don't have black Model Magic. You also have 2 sculpting tools. They might be different from these, but they'll do the job, whatever you have. So these are used to make lines or to cut the clay, or to make like different, this one has this type, like a zigzag, so you can make zigzags or different patterns using different sculpting tools. This here is an eye pin. Be very, very careful with this. Please don't poke anybody or yourself. Be super careful with this. So this is for when we are done. Then we can put it wherever we want, so that then we can hang our charm somewhere. Okay? All right, so let's get started. I already opened up my packet. So just open it up. When you pick it out, it's really soft, and you have a nice amount, so you can make all types of things with it. Just make sure that you use it pretty quickly, because like I said, once the air gets in it, then it's gonna harden. So even if you don't use it immediately, you can always just close it up really good so that not too much air gets in there and it lasts a little bit longer. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this red, and I'm just gonna mold it into the shape of a strawberry using my hands. So I like to roll it, and then you just like start to use your fingers to mold your clay into whatever shape you want. So that's pretty close to the shape of a strawberry. We want it to be a little pointy here and rounded up here. Fat in the middle. There we go. So I like that shape. See? It's pretty nice. Looks like a strawberry to me. Okay, so like I said, you can mix colors too. So we want to get this green here for the leaves on top of the strawberry. I'm gonna take a little bit of blue. You just need a tiny bit. Remember, close it up. And a little bit of yellow. And if you mix it like this, let me close this up. You see how it becomes a swirl? If you just keep mixing it with your fingers, it'll turn into a different color. It turns into green. You just gotta keep mixing it until you don't see any more of those swirls. Unless you like it like that, and that actually probably would look very cool for leaves. If they have a little bit of the yellow swirl or the blue swirl in them, that might be really cool. Okay, so once you have your green, now let me see. I think this might be too much clay to go on top of there, so I'm gonna take some off. You can always add it back on. And I just want to flatten this into like kind of something like this, almost like a circle. And then from here, I'm just gonna pull out pieces from each side so it looks like leaves, see? I just pull just a tiny bit, and we don't want to break it. We just want to pull just a tiny bit. So now it looks something like this, almost like a star. From here, I'm just gonna put it on top. This is kind of big actually, but it's on there. Okay, that's fine. And now, ooh, that's a big leaf. This is a baby strawberry. This is a big strawberry. This is a baby strawberry because it still has big leaves on top. Okay, I'm okay with that. All right, so from here, you see how this strawberry has little dots in it? Okay, we're gonna take our eye pen and we're just gonna make little dots all over our strawberry. All right, so notice we still haven't used our sculpting tools. We can though if you want to make like a line on your leaves like this. You see how those work? You just softly push in. There we go. Oops. I probably should have done that first because I lost a few of my dots. But we can always put some more in. There we go. And then now you use your eye pen. You just stick it wherever you want it to go. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna leave it in there. And this is gonna dry up within 24 hours. Tomorrow, this will be hard. And then you can put it on your backpack. You can put it wherever you like. So I have my strawberries. Let's see, what else should we make? I think we should make, I really like to make cactus, but we did that last time. So I think we will make a mushroom. Let's make a mushroom. I'm gonna make a pink mushroom. I'm gonna take some red. So remember, you can make whatever you want. You have a lot of clay here for charms. You can probably make like 5 different charms if you want to. I'm gonna take some white because I want to make mine pink. So remember, you can mix these colors. You can mix these colors and make other colors. Make colors, just mix colors and see what happens. See, we've got a swirl. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this until I don't see. Actually, I might keep some of the swirl. We'll see. Okay, so I kind of like this white swirl right here. So I'm just gonna keep that. I think, okay, so first I'm gonna do the top of the mushroom. So the top of the mushroom is just, you know, very rounded. So I'm gonna make this into a ball by going like this. Ooh, that's cool. And then I'm just gonna press at the bottom here to make this a little bit flat. But I wanna keep the top of it rounded. See? Pretty cool. I like that. Now we need the bottom part. So that, I'm gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna make sure it's the right size. Yep, that's about right. I'm just gonna go like this, make it into a little cylinder like that, and then I'm gonna flatten out the bottom and the top so it looks something like this. See, the bottoms are flat. And now I'm gonna put this right there. That should work. Okay, so with my mushroom, I want to add some circles on it. You can add any type of design you want. Let me see how this looks too. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. So I'm just adding a pattern to the bottom of it using my sculpting tools. I like that. Okay. Now, I think I want my little circles to be like aqua. So I'm gonna use blue and white and yellow. It's gonna be, well, maybe it's more like a turquoise color. Okay. All right, and now I'm gonna just mix them all together. I like this color. This is very nice. So now I'm just gonna make little balls, little tiny balls. And then I'm gonna flatten them out with my fingers like this, see? And then I'm going to put them on my mushroom in different places. That's pretty cool. All right, and then these tools too, you can use for cutting your clay. So for example, if I have this, I can like cut a little piece of it. People use it like that too. And I want my little circles to be different sizes and different shapes. All right, so I think I'm done with my mushroom. I think I like it like that, but you can add other things to it as well, you know, like lines or shapes, things like that. I'm gonna put my eye pin right through here. And by tomorrow, this will be a hard little sculpture, and I'll be able to put it on my backpack or hang it somewhere. Pretty cool. So that's what we have here. We have a strawberry and a mushroom. Have fun with this. Create whatever you will want. Sculpture is really fun. It's very therapeutic. It's great to do things with your hands and feel the material. Have a great time, and we will see you next time.